Hello everybody, Dragapod Master here, and today we will be talking about the latest news. So let's first see Cinderace VMAX. The photo will be on your screen. These are its move. Let's talk about its 320 HP. Let's talk about its max move. Max Pyro Ball. Your points active Pokemon is now burned. 320 HP, 170 damage. Not bad, but kind of average. Could be competitive, but considering it's the fourth stage and like that, I don't think so it will be that competitive, but it could create good combos. It's good that it does not discard energy because that will be horrible. Good HP, but some decent HP, not pretty good. Let's look at Cramorant V. Now this is what you call a gross card. Cramorant V, Spike Shot. Its move does only 160 damage, and you have to discard all energy cards attached to this Pokemon. Now this guy is just gonna be for collective purposes. The artwork is also not good. Nothing is good. Maybe it's good for all the Cramorant fans out there, but I don't think so it's good. Let's move on to the next detail. So let's now take a look at the merchandise that has been revealed. The photos will be on the screen. You can see there is a Jolteon, Vaporeon, Eevee, Pikachu, you can see the sleeves, and that will be the playmat. That's the deck box. Moving on to the Eevee. Eternatus. Good mat. Eternatus is good. Cramorant Pokemon card game. This kind of looks like fake to me, but obviously it's real. You guys can take a look. So that's it. So these are some of the promos which will be coming. Charmander, collect, draw a card, flare 30 damage. Pretty decent. Arrokuda, Swarm, search your deck for up to 2 Arrokuda and put them on your bench. That's not good. Jolteon, 160 damage to opponent, 30 damage to itself. That's good. Stampede, 10 damage, 30x damage. This attack does 30 damage times the amount of it does on this Pokemon. Rock. Evolves from Sandal. By 20 damage, dig apart. Discard 3 cards from the top of your opponent's deck. Science of search your deck for card that was from Eevee, reveal it and put it in your hand. While kick 30 damage, flip a coin. If tails, this attack does nothing. That's a good bad card. But good if you want to evolve him. Choose a trainer card from its card pile and ask your opponent if you can put it into your hand. If they say yes, put that card into your hand. If they say no, return that card to your discard pile and draw 3 cards. Then give your opponent a freaky haircut. You may play as many supporters cards as you like. Your turn. What the heck? Why would you want to ask your opponent? Draw 3 cards, so obviously your opponent will say yes, na you idiot. So let's check out the set list for Astonishing Volt Tackle. It will be on your screen and all the abilities are there. So the translations are also there for all the 100 cards that were just revealed. A Duraludon card, that's good. So this is all the set list. And this is the Talonflame Wave that I like. Crimson Wings, discard 1 energy, that's good card. If you go first, you can use a stack on your first turn, discard your hand and draw 6 cards. That's a bad card. There are 100 cards and I will not be explaining each of them because then the video will be like for 2 hours. And you guys don't want to sit here for 2 hours and watch. You guys can take your time and read all the cards. All the English translations are also written there. Charizard card, that interesting. Battle Savvy. Once you're done your turn, you may look at the top 3 cards of your deck, add one of those cards to your hand and discard the rest. A Leon card. Leon is not a good card. So that's bad. Dreadnought. Surfetch gets a V. That's good. So one can't attack. That's a bad move. If I do say so myself. How much time is the video? It's already 7 minutes 33 seconds long. Orbital VMAX. So that was the entire set list that you guys saw. I showed you guys the entire set list, I hope so, and I did not miss anything. There is the Charizard card, Charmander, Charmeleon. Didn't I show you guys a Charmeleon? I actually don't remember. So let's go down to the bottom. And you guys can see the entire checklist. I think I showed all of those cards. And that's the rest. Done. Let's look at these cards. And that is it for this video. And I will see you guys later. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And Dragapult Master,